Happy Tax Franchising presents the weekly industry strategy session. Here's CEO Mario Costanz.
Hi, I'm Mario Costanz, also known as the Problem Solver. I'm the CEO of Happy Tax Franchising. Thank you for joining us. In this week's session, I'll squash some common misconceptions about the tax business. We've been talking to hundreds of people across the country about joining us as Happy Tax franchisees. And I wanted to address some of the questions that come up regarding the tax industry, as they're really good ones. Since our company is revolutionizing this stale old industry with common sense strategies, which are based on a lengthy experience in the industry, we hear lots of feedback on our model from those both in the industry currently, as well as people just exploring it. The overwhelming majority are excited and get it that our system is a better way of doing it. It just makes sense on every level. And that's why we're growing our number of franchisees each and every week. It is so exciting. And yet, there are also naysayers. Most of those are already in the industry and see what we're doing as a threat to the old way of doing things. Every revolution starts with people having differences of opinion on whether it'll work or not. As our momentum continues, we are excited to be proving them wrong. One of my favorite quotes is, "The greatest pleasure in life is doing what other people say you cannot." And this goes for us as well as our franchisees, and even anyone about to get started with any new endeavor or a new chapter in their life. There will always be those around you saying that you can't. Well, I believe that you can. And now on to those misconceptions. We provide our Happy Tax franchisees with 13 points of guided marketing on how to get customers and grow their business. A couple of them include reaching out to personal network people like friends, family, or coworkers. And you use that different methods and proven techniques. These techniques never pester anyone or would impact your relationships with these people in any way negatively. In fact, they're the same methods I used when I started out in this business 13 years ago. And I have a much larger network of friends, family, and coworkers now than I did then. And I'm loved that I've helped so many people with both their taxes and improving their businesses. So the misconception is that people will not want to file their taxes with a friend. And it's a valid point. However, it is very far from the truth. People file tax returns with someone they trust. They only go to a stranger at a tax place when there isn't someone around that they know or have been referred to by someone else they know. There may be a person here or there that doesn't want you to know how much income they make, and that's understandable. I'm not saying that it will never happen. It does. However, it is much more the exception than the rule. And since our franchisees aren't doing the tax preparation work itself, only gathering the data for our CPAs to prepare the return, there's even more comfort that your clients will feel secure with working with you as their provider. A concierge, if you will, except that you're keeping the majority of the revenue from each return. Another common misconception is that people will not want to prepare taxes with someone who does not have a physical office or storefront. What most people don't know is that 50% of all tax business owners currently work out of their home. We actually had a study done by the Relevate Group to analyze all 300,000+ tax businesses across the country, and the data doesn't lie. Only 50% of tax businesses operate out of a commercial space. So our model takes upon that and adds entrepreneurial smarts and technology to enable our franchisees to better leverage their time using our pre-done marketing, support, and our CPAs to prepare their tax returns for them. In fact, our patent is pending on this technology and process. We don't recommend that you have your client come over to your home. However, there are plenty of great places to meet with them, and you'll only need about 15 minutes or so to get their information over to our CPAs. Coffee shops, hotel lobbies, libraries, even at work, as many of your clients may work at the same place. Or you'll get tax returns at events that will help you plan at large employers in your area. And there's so much more to do once you become a franchisee. I'm looking forward to talking with you and to helping you achieve your goals. Have a wonderful and productive rest of the week. And take care. For more information on Happy Tax, go to gethappytax.com or email me at mario@happytax.com. Happy Tax. Smile. It's time to file.